O-Train Line 2 will remain closed for approximately 2 years, while the line is being extended further south to Linebank Station and Ottawa International Airport. Construction of the extension has been underway for some time. The extension will include new stations at Gladstone, Walkley, South Keys, Leitrim, Bowesville, Linebank, plus Uplands and the airport. While O-Train Line 2 is closed, buses will replace the train, offering fast and frequent service that mirrors Line 2 service, with minimal stops between Bayview Station in the north and South Keys in the south. Let's take a ride on the new Line 2 bus. If you want to head south from Bayview Station, use Stop A on the north side of Albert Street, just outside the station. From the eastbound platform, simply walk east out the Albert Street exit to Stop A. From the westbound platform, take the stairs down to the lower concourse. Cross to the eastbound side. Then take the stairs up to the platform. Then take the Albert Street exit. Once you board, the bus heads west along Scott Street, then hangs a left onto Bayview, continues on Bayswater, then east on Somerset. The Line 2 bus then turns south on Preston and makes its first stop at Gladstone, in the heart of Little Italy near the future Stage 2 O-Train station. Magnifico! Continuing along Preston, the next stop is just before Carling, close to work and home for many thousands of Ottawans, and right by beautiful Dow's Lake. The Line 2 bus turns east on Carling, then continues non-stop along Bronson, south through the Glebe, and into the Carleton University campus. There are stops on campus for students rushing off to class or heading to a Ravens game. Departing Carleton, the bus continues south on Bronson with a stop near Heron for those heading east or west. There is another just around the corner on Heron itself for those heading northbound. After a quick turn onto Data Center Road, the Line 2 bus stops at the Heron Transitway Station, then continues south on the Transitway to Walkley Station, site of a future Stage 2 station. Then the Park and Ride at Greenboro, finishing its run at South Keys Station for those who like to shop. Here's a map of the Line 2 bus route, starting at South Keys and heading north. As you can see, the service closely mirrors O-Train Line 2, has frequent service and only minimal stops at key points and stations along the way. If you're taking the bus to catch O-Train Line 1, simply get off at Bayview and enter the station via the Albert Street entrance. Please note that other bus routes provide good alternatives to Carleton University, including Route 10 from Lyon or Herdman stations and Routes 10 and 11 from Billings Bridge Station. Travel times will be longer for some customers during construction of Stage 2 South. Please use the travel planner on octranspo.com to plan your trip.